Hey guys, it's Sarah from Welcome Bus Ladies. So I hope everyone is doing well and people are in a bit of a better mood right now. So we're gonna do the weekly news, and there's been quite a fair share of news this week happening. So we're gonna discuss them all. But before we get on to that, let me just have a quick look onto CoinMarketCap and see how the market's currently doing before everyone manages to chat. So we've got Bitcoin dominance at 55.6%. It's still really high. It's obviously Bitcoin is currently the safest investment possibly you could make. It's the one that, without Bitcoin, there is no crypto. And I've always said that. I think it's one of those things that you just, no Bitcoin, no crypto. That's basically my saying. So we've got market cap over 200 billion right now. So we've been staying quite strong over there. We've dipped quite low this week, and I think it was around areas of 180. Bitcoin stays strong about 6K. And I think that is really important with Ethereum, for example, dropping below 200 and just seeing new lows of 2018 going to the levels back in November. Currently, as I'm looking at the market right now, everything seems to be in red. So I guess people are just, taking profits, little profits that have been made. I mean, 40 billion has been poured into the market. So some people did make profits. But let's have a look who's actually a top gainer. I always like to do that. So we've got Aurora. I have not heard of it. It's currently 72 on CoinMarketCap, and its price is 2 cents. It's up 20% in 24 hours. We've got also Power Ledger, BitShares, Ardor, Dogecoin is still killing it. Theta token. Oh, I forgot about Theta token actually. We've got Waxed and VanChain. So to people who are holding it, I'm sure you're really, really happy. So everyone who's watching the video, likes up. It always means the world to me, and it's always nice to see that you guys are enjoying the stream. Also, if there are any other news that you'd like me to mention, please leave a comment and I'll obviously mention them. I've also done an Amazon wish list. Last time I made the stream last week ago, a lot of people was actually complaining about the quality of the stream. I've cleaned the screen today, so hopefully that'll be a little bit better. But over there you can find all the stuff that can possibly use to improve the quality of the stream. So if anyone's feeling like holiday closer, that'd be really nice. But let's go with the news. So I think the biggest news of this week was Gemini and their announcement of launching their stablecoin. And Winklevoss brothers are on it. And that was on Monday. The brothers launched the creatively named Gemini Dollar, the world's first regulated stablecoin. So the ticker is GUSD, which makes a lot of sense. And it's in an ERC20 token pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, with oversight from the New York State Department of Financial Service. And like Tether, an independent accounting firm will confirm each that the USD reserves equal the amount of GUSD. Unlike Tether, though, the accounting firm probably exists. It's worth checking out, definitely. We've also got the big boys forming a blockchain association. And over here, we're talking about Coinbase, Protocol Labs, and Circle, which have teamed up with investors such as Polychain Capital to form the Blockchain Association. The trade association will act as a liaison to policymakers on Capitol Hill, working to ensure crypto-friendly policies moving forward. This looks to be a positive step in removing the haze from the current blockchain regulatory landscape, while hopefully not stifling innovation. We've also got the fact that students love blockchain, and there is obviously nothing new to it. A year ago, I was still a student. If you guys follow me on Twitter, Crypto Sarah, I've made a post that it's been actually an anniversary, 1-year anniversary since I found out about my university results and everything. So it was quite a good day. But as a student myself, it's quite official and obvious to me that the millennials are on board on the blockchain trend. Even with the downturn in the market, collegiate blockchain courses are popular as ever, and blockchain students organizations at Penn, Berkeley, and Cornell Orbit's 100 plus strong partnerships, and blockchain courses are in high demand right now. And this continued interest, even in the bearish of markets, is a strong sign of the adoption to come. Let's not forget about the SEC. That's a little bit of a down news I would say is this week the SEC made formal charges against 2 crypto companies providing a variety of offerings. The first one is the crypto asset management, which is a duped investors into thinking they were SEC regulated when in fact they weren't. The second one is Token Lot, a self-proclaimed ICO superstore, and is the other company under fire for operating as an unregistered broker-dealer. Who would have thought that a company professional enough to call themselves an ICO superstore wouldn't bother to become registered, right? It's a bit of a weird one, I would say. We've also got Australian state putting driver's licenses on the blockchain. So Australia continues to be at the forefront of blockchain adoption. This November, Australian state New South Wales will be trialing a blockchain-based digital driver's license in some of the Sydney suburbs. SecureLogic is leading the trial with its TrustGrid product. The company had successfully tested the product earlier this year with around 1,400 motorists. Brilliant news. Absolutely brilliant. This is the sort of adoption that we need because we know how much fake IDs there's actually going on around. I'm sure some of you who were underage and try going clubbing know exactly what I'm talking about. We've also got Lithuania rewarding runners with crypto. So the past Sunday, participants in the Vilnius Marathon in Lithuania received LYM tokens as they crossed the finish line. It's the Lympo tokens are the native currency. And that app basically rewards you with cryptocurrency for accomplishing fitness goals. And 4,000 out of the total 15,000 runners opted into the crypto reward program. So it's definitely worth checking out. I saw the news all over the Twitter. It was quite good to see that's exactly what's been happening. So guys, let me know of any news you would like me to mention. I've obviously got a few more to mention today, but it's worth seeing what you guys actually think of the market right now. We've also got Michael Novogratz calling crypto market bottom right now. So the CEO of cryptocurrency focused merchant bank Galaxy Digital has predicted that the bottom is finally in for the cryptocurrencies after over 8 months of a bear market. Novogratz, considered one of the premier thought leaders in the crypto space, made his prediction on Twitter, and that was the other day. So hopefully he's gonna be right, because I'm seriously bored of this market right now. It's not as fun as it was before, and it just doesn't feel the same, to be fair. As I think I got used to so much the bear market that just forgot how it feels to be in a bull market. Excitement of waking up and your portfolio being constantly up is quite good. Right now, I just don't know what I do, to be fair, and I hope everyone is making clever investments right now and spending this time of a bear market educating yourselves instead of just watching the charts and hoping for the best. And the next one, and actually my last one for now, will be the fact that the Paris Saint-Germain, probably I said it wrong, becomes first football club ever to currency. It's obviously, if you guys are into football, or you Americans, soccer, even though it's football, it's the Paris club is one of the world's wealthiest football clubs out there, and they're launching the cryptocurrency. According to the news, the French soccer giant will launch a token that aims to incentivize its supporters over a blockchain. The project is an initiative between the French Ligue 1, PSG, and the blockchain company Socios.com. So it's really interesting to see what's actually going to happen. How is that going to work out for them? And I hope it's going to bring a positive response to people, because I'm sure there's lots of investors who are not actually aware of the possibilities that the blockchain can actually bring to you. So market is looking, like I said earlier today, we've got there's still a lot of, I'm going to look at all of it. Over 24 hours, everything is down, and so is over the last hour. So I think the weekend's gonna end quite on the bear trend. There's not gonna be any sort of massive gains, as you can see. Just looking at the market and seeing what's below 100 right now as a sort of a psychological process. So we've got Kin, Nulls, Substratum, Electronium, Tata 2, Syndicated, Polymath. Honestly, guys, the tokens they're bleeding, really, and I hope that no one's actually been doing any bad investments. But KuCoin share is actually almost on 100 million, which is quite nice to see. That's my OCD quite well then. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. So please feel free, as I'm starting slowly to finish off. Unfortunately, there is a boiler issue, unfortunately, so we've got it out. So, you know, real life problems, right? Away from the crypto market. So remember to subscribe to Coinbase Ladies. Follow me on Twitter, Altcoin Sarah, where you can basically just, you know, there's lots of different posting happening over there. If you are just follow me, you know, for sure. But subscribe to Coinbase Ladies so you can stay up to date with all the latest news and updates on coins. I've also been doing videos on the main channel at Altcoin Buzz, comparing most of the cryptos, like I've done Nano and Dogecoin pros and cons. I've got another coin ready here. I'll be making a video in a bit about it. So you can stay tuned and obviously follow them as well, as is the main channel, and without it, I wouldn't be here. So it's all happy news. Guys, remember to hit the like button. Let me know what you'd like me to review and compare next, pros and cons, the next crypto, what will be the next big thing. And I hope you all have a good day. Enjoy your Sundays, guys. They're quite worth their leisure. Bye-bye.